Halo, tes tes 1 2, halo. Woi woi woi. Oi oi oi. Oke, ini kita berada di now. Now I'm currently in the Cursor. Now we're going to build an app with the new Agentic AI. So I'm gonna use like Claude 3.5 Sonnet. In this video, I'm gonna show you the workflow on how to create or develop an app from scratch, entirely from with AI. Now, for first you gotta create a new folder. I'm gonna build an interval training app. So for example, I'm gonna try interval training app. Holy shit! Okay. Okay, I'm a bit nervous because this is my first video. I'm making about an AI, so I apologize for a sec. So as you can see, I've already created some of the app, but this I'm going to recreate it to let you know how the workflow is gonna look like. So make sure that the folder is empty. Filtering app. Okay, it's good. Now we can to show the agent. We can press Ctrl plus L. Now we go to Composer agent. So, for example, I want to create an interval training app. So create an interval training app, web app. So we're gonna use web app, and for the tech stacks, let it the AI choose its tech stacks. So we're gonna create it's up to you to choose which stack to use. Something like this, and then I'm gonna use Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Submit. So the AI we're gonna respond. No. Just use Flask. Don't have to. Okay. Create a virtual environment, so let it create its virtual environment. So why we need a virtual environment for every project? It is because every project we're gonna have like different dependencies, and so in order to make it not distracted or to prevent the incompatibility between projects, so we have to create the in virtual environment. So let's make sure that template is okay. I'll create a template. I'm gonna here. Oh my god, what the fuck is wrong with this shit? Excuse my language when it's getting funky. It's creating its component. As you can see here in the structure folder, it's already created some of the folders and files needed. Now currently building the HTML file. So wait and see, it's processing. The AI is thinking. Getting script.js. So apparently the AI chose to use Flask as I told him before, and then it's the templates should be index and styles CSS. Handle the all the designs of the app. Now currently generating the scripts. Should have move the camera or something like, I don't know. Here, okay. So you better see what's going on. Can sleep. Oh my god. Vertical, something like that. Okay. Python app. Okay, it's already done running the project. Now we can run. Oh, okay. This is how we log. These are running. Let's see. Start. Okay, currently looking good. Asking for, now we're gonna ask for new features. So apparently we got work time to set the work time, a reset button, rest, numbers of runs, but we currently don't see the estimated time on how the total time we're gonna make. The total time is going to take to run this workout. So let's see. Add a feature to estimate the total workout time. Let's add the feature. For now on, we have the backbone on how the app is going to work. The app is already working, but we don't really have to worry about how it's gonna look, because we can do it later when the base functionality is working great. So let it's doing its thing. Currently created the script, the JavaScript, added features to the index HTML, and after that updated the CSS. Now currently generating the script CSS about the new features, about the estimated time that it's going to take to run this workout. It's crazy to me that the AI is doing 100% of the coding tasks, that I'm going to forget like the creative indices right now. It's going to change how the workflow in the future, bro. It's still in the middle of, it's in the early year of 2025, but the things already changed really fast. If you blink an eye, you're gonna miss a lot of things. Okay, it looks like it's finished generating the code. Now let's refresh. Okay, we got here the workout time. Now we're gonna change the value to see it's going to update. Okay, it's updating real time. Numbers of rounds. Okay, perfect. Start. Wow, it even got the this is circle. I didn't have this feature before. It's like the bar, the progress bar. I don't have this before. This is very good visualizations on how the workout is gonna look. So I feel like I'm gonna use this. Really gonna use this. Okay, pause. Reset. Now I'm gonna add one more features. That is the elapsed time, or the time that's currently running. So the user will know that what how, like stopwatch, like gonna kill it, stopwatch. Add an s add a feature about the running time, currently running time. I don't have the best word to describe how the feature is gonna look like, but I'm pretty impressed that the AI is so like 100% understand what I'm talking about. Like it's my real dog, you know what I'm talking about. I'll add a feature to show the currently elapsed time alongside the long total worker time. This will help users track how long they've been working out all of the HTML and JavaScript to implement this. First, let's add the elapsed time to the HTML. Then I'm going to update or add a new element to the HTML file about the new elapsed time, and then update the CSS to style the new features, and then finally it's going to create the JavaScript to make the new features working. Figuring all these files. So as you can see, when every time new features or bug fixes it's up, it's going to show the green, like this green color on the code, like this index.html. We can choose accept. So just 100% just work, bro. Still generating. Okay, can you accept all? Looks like okay. I've added the elapsed time features with following changes. First, added new elapsed time display in the HTML that shows alongside this whole time. Styled the elapsed time display with slightly different background color to distinguish it from the total time. Added JavaScript functionality to track elapsed seconds using separate timer. Format and display the elapsed times in minutes, seconds format. Start, stop, reset the elapsed timer with the workout. Update the display every second. The elapsed time now starts counting when you start workout. Pause when you pause the workout. Continues from where it left off when you resume. Reset to 0 when you reset the workout to complete it. Show the total time you've spent working out, including both work and rest periods. The elapsed time is displayed in a clean format. So for example, 1:45 for 1 minute and 45 seconds. So you can figure out the elapsed time like 1:44 minutes too. It's not just going to like second like 100 seconds, 1,000 seconds, but rather it's going to split it into seconds and minute. I think that's pretty impressive, and it's visually distinct from but complementary to the total time display. Would you like me to? So you're going to add some adjustment to the implementation. So we're gonna see how the feature is gonna look. Okay, they added this new element here about the elapsed time. So let's see if the previous feature is working. We updated the round. Okay, so it changes here in total time. And then let's start. Oh my god, it's still buggy. It's not counting. The elapsed time is not counting. So for this, we're going to reprompt the AI to tell them that it's not 100% work. It's still some bug to do. Still some bug going on. Let's see. The new elapsed features is shown on the screen, but apparently the timer on elapsed time element didn't start counting when I press start button. So I will figure out that the new feature is not working. Let me check the JavaScript. So you're going to see the JavaScript, whether what's going on, what's the issue. Maybe some argument isn't assigned or triggered properly. Let me check the JavaScript code for the elapsed time functionality. The issue is likely in the start method, where we need to ensure the elapsed timer is properly initialized and started. Let me fix this. So it's currently going to generating the JavaScript. I don't know how to make this slightly bigger. Control Shift plus. Okay. So we're gonna see it better. Like that. JavaScript. Okay, it's already updated here. So right here, still generating. So it says I've made several fixes to the elapsed time functionality. I fixed the start elapsed timer method to ensure it properly clears any existing timer before starting a new one. Added proper initialization of the elapsed time display in the constructor. Added elapsed time reset when starting new workout, not resuming. Added a proper cleanup of the elapsed timer when pausing. Added proper resets of elapsed seconds and display resetting the workout. Is it recording? Okay, 70 minutes already. Proper reset of elapsed seconds and display when resetting the workout. Ensure the elapsed timer starts correctly when the workout starts. The changes ensure that the elapsed time starts counting when you press starts, but when you press pause, continues from when it left off when you press resumes, reset to 0 when you press reset or start a new workout, but it cleans up timer to prevent any memory leaks. The elapsed timer, so it figure out the optimization too to not make any memory leaks. It seems that's really very great. The elapsed timer should now work correctly. Try starting the workout again, and you should see the elapsed timer counting not from 0. Let me know if you need any adjustment or if there's anything else I can help with. Okay, let's see if it's working. Refresh the page. There's nothing changed visually, but let's see if it starting. Okay, as you can see here, the elapsed time is start counting. It fixes the bug as I prompted before. That is pretty impressive, man. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna reset this. And now our workout time is going to, let's say, 10 seconds to see what happened when you go to the end here. What it's going to do. Okay. So for example, let's get a total time 1 minute 55. So updated like it should be. Okay. Then I work it down to seconds. Let's see what's going on if it's going to hit the page here. Okay, it's even added the new. Okay, the red time 5 seconds, going to get faster 5 seconds. It even added the sound effects, man. That's pretty cool. I didn't even ask it before. It's pretty impressive. I don't know what's it at here. Maybe the visually it's working, but it's just too plain. I want it to be more engaging. So for example, I want this is for I'm gonna tell the prompt the AI for by prompting I'm gonna tell the AI to update the log, the UI, the user interface, by giving it the prompt to the AI, something like okay, functionality wise is good, but I want you to update. Okay, make the user interface user interface to look more engaging. So let's see, let's figure out. So mostly it's all like it's going to look for the CSS for the look. Okay, I'll enhance the user interface to make it more engaging and modern, or update the CSS with better colors, animations, and visual hierarchy. Okay, they even going to figure out the animation. That's pretty good. Let's see on this here, something here, the CSS. Just thinking. For the look, they have updated the look, updated the margin, padding, box sizing, and now I'm going to add the animation here by updating the JavaScript. I've made several improvements to make the interface more engaging and modern. Color schemes in the visual hierarchy, added modern color palette with CSS variables, created guiding background for buttons and time displays, improved contrast and readability, animation and interactions, added subtle hover effect to main container, added a pulse animation to timer when active, improved button hover state with elevation changes, smooth transition for all interaction elements, layout and spacing, send the app vertically and horizontally to the page, added proper spacing and padding, improve the visual hierarchy with shadows and borders, modern UI elements, larger, more readable time on display, gradient background for time info section. Oh, they even added the gradient effects here, improving field styling with focus states, better button styling with uppercase text and letter spacing, mobile responsiveness, improved mobile layout with better spacing, full width inputs and buttons on mobile, adjusted font size for better readability, better padding and markings for small screens, visual feedback, added shadows to indicate elevations. They even added the drop shadow effects here. That's very impressive. That's good. Let's imagine it's going to look very good. Improve hover state for interaction elements. They can even have the hover. Okay. Better built-in animation to timer when active. Better visual feedback for disabled states. The interface now has clean, modern gradient backgrounds, smooth animation and transitions, better visual hierarchy, more engaging interactions elements, improve readability and contrast, better mobile experience. Would you like to make any adjustments to designs or add additional visual element? Wow, they even add the better mobile experience. So the user interface is going to be responsive. So let's say we're going to just set the inspect element and change the UI to mobile to see if it's going to resize to the mobile user interface. Let's see. I'm gonna hit refresh. Okay, it looks really good now. Get some little subtle drop shadow here, and we got some animations. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna use this. They don't even overdoing it. It just looked really good. Oh my god, look at this. This is really good, bro. Sorry, something like this. Gotta change. Let's see, it's gonna do eyes. Gonna change. Okay, looks like it's pretty responsive. When you change the window, they even have the slight animation here. Wow, that the subtle changes is really cool. Now, going to inspect. We're gonna say light mobile. So for mobile responsive display. Wow, this is really good. So iPhone here, scroll. Okay, this is really good. Great. Now let's see the functionality. So they just updated the user interface, but that's it still working. So we're gonna add the number of rounds. It's working, still updated. Oh my god, this is really good. I'm gonna use this, bro. Seconds. Starts here. Okay, I think like I'm gonna need new features here. So when I hit When I hit start, it should be counting from 3. 3, 2, 1, like that. Let's see. Okay, it's really good. But I want the app to start back counting from 3 to 0 before 3 to 1. But when I hit start button, something like this. Let's see if the AI still figure out what I meant by that. At the countdown, okay, it's say countdown. Back counting countdown to say countdown. Oh my god, I forget that word, bro. I'll add countdown feature before the actual workout starts. Update JavaScript code to include this functionality. Oh, this is really good. Just water, bro. Just starting to moisturize my face. Feels really good. This is my new experience, bro. I just figuring out something like this exists in like a couple of days. Like 2 days ago, like yesterday. I'm very impressed. And I really create a video about the impression like this, or demo like this, but feels like I need to, because this is the big changes. This is going to change the workflow on the tech industry. So also look like it's updated the JavaScript, CSS. JavaScript, okay. Now we're going to refresh. Let's see if it's working now. Whenever it starts, it's good. You can see it's countdown button is showing. It is subtle feature, but I want it to have a sound effects when countdown. Add a sound effect. Add sound effect. X sound effects. When the countdown is happening. Wow, this is magical, bro. This is very magical. Created all the file for you. It just is all the text tags needed for you, and you just see. You just vibe skirting. That's how it is, bro. It's really good. You just run stuff, see stuff, and see that it's working. So you better see the app. Yes, it looks like it's finished updating the user interface. New features, sound effects to the counter animations. I still use. I think it's not working. Hit refresh. Okay, now you just tell the AI that it's not working. I still can't hear the sound effects when the countdown going. Go look all the JavaScript, the Okay, looking into JavaScript to see what's left. Beep sound. It's gonna end the beep sound. This looks like it's done. I'll refresh. Okay, bro. You finally hear the sound. Wow, this is really good. Okay, they even the countdown. We can still when the workout is running, we can change the value here. That is very clever. Wow. Okay, I think that is going to conclude this video. I still can't believe this is real, bro. I don't have any. I just lose words. It just works. When I ask the AI what to do, it just understands what I meant and proceeds with the task that I've given, and it mostly works. That's very impressive, man. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. I apologize if I'm a bit confused here because I'm a bit nervous because this is my first video, but yeah, thanks for watching.